So I'm gonna show you how to do everyday makeup versus college makeup. This is a very easy video, but in this we will distinguish how you would like to get ready when you want to get ready for your friends and you're going out, and how you would like to get ready when you are going to office. Generally in both the things we don't have a lot of time, so I'm gonna do very simple makeup which will make things super clear for you, and you can always make a combination of both and make it work for you. So let's get started. College side, office side. Moisturizer for both the sides. Sunscreen for college side because I want to make it look dewy, so I'm taking this one. Now the basic difference between college and office makeup is you want the office makeup to stay for good 5 to 6 hours when you're in office, but when you're in college or you're going out just for having coffee, then the makeup can stay till 3 to 4 hours. That's the only bar that we keep, maximum 5 to 6 hours, but we can always reapply everyday makeup, right? For this side, I'm not going to go that dewy. I'm going to take my basic sunscreen. This is Fix Derma Shadow Sunscreen, SPF 70. This feels moisturizing on the face as well. Dewy side, non-dewy side. This is only sunscreen and moisturizer. Now for everyday thing, I don't want any concealers. I just want to look cute. So I'm going to take my tint and I'm just going to give a little bit of color, and I'll apply this here as well. This is my Go-Go tint from Benefit Cosmetics. For people who are medium to medium deep skin tone, this looks really nice. I don't know why I never find that much color in Benetint, and I like this one little extra than the Benetint. Good. Now for the office side, you can have BB cream, CC cream or sunscreen with little bit of tint in it, or moisturizer mixed with little bit of foundation, or just one dot of concealer here on your discoloration. That's it. Now nobody has time to use all the brushes in the morning. For the blush part, you can take liquid tint, you can take any cream blush, or you can take any powder blush as well, something like this. So I'm gonna take K by Katrina because this is more neutral. For office, we don't want to look too pink, we want to look more neutral and little bit on the brown side. We don't want a lot of color on the face. Personally, this is my opinion. You can always make it look the way you want. Taking it on the transition area. So if you want, in these hot and humid days, you can always take a compact. I'm taking this Maybelline. You can take any compact that you like and just run it for that matte and seamless look. You can always skip the compact as well. Now for the brows, we only like brow tint for everyday option. You can always take a dark brown pencil and a spoolie like this to brush the brows. Now you can take tint on the lips, or you can always take a tinted lip gloss and then little bit of lip cream for that glossy effect and for the sunscreen as well. Waterproof mascara for office use, non-waterproof mascara for everyday use. For more coverage, you can always use full coverage concealer like L'Oreal. If you have acne, try keeping it little matte rather than keeping it dewy. If you still have any questions, let me know, and let me know if you like this tutorial or not. This is Neha Devgan on this note saying bye-bye.